Okay, and we're back.
Again, you can see my password again. I could type fast so I could conceal it, but never mind. I think that was right, probably. Okay. I typed in my password wrong, that's fair enough, so let me just start there. I'll move the phone over a bit when I type my password, it's a bit tricky getting it. I'm just going to hold it like this so I can...
That's one thing with touchscreens, right?
Yeah, this keyboard is a bit small, to say the least. Okay, so I've basically authenticated against a server. This client application talks to a server, which is also interfacing to the database that the website is using. What it's doing is, let's get rid of the keyboard now. It's listing people
or users that are in the domain that you specified, correct?
Yeah, it's listing other users and telling you their distance. I'm the only user actually.
Okay.
And just for debugging reasons, it's just listing me as being 0 distance away from myself, which is correct.
Right.
So if there are other users, I've got some other phones. I want to show that with another phone running. So according to the coordinates, I tell you how far you are away from them, and then you can click on the just pinging in. It's pinging in at the moment. Trying to. Having some networking problems if you go over to it. I think my Wi-Fi has dropped out again. This is. I don't know why it's back there.
No,
so
it's back.
I wonder what that's going to. This is a real kind of good. I don't know what's happening with the wireless here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it seems to be going up and down, which is that seems to have caused this connection to fail. So I'll just quit. I'll quit and. Okay, now we're back.
Okay.
Oh, that's quite cool. Right, we're back.
Okay.
So the good thing about TCP is it can kind of correct itself eventually. So I'll click on that, click profile. If I switch to here, then I've got basically the profile.
Cool.
Of whatever I've got, filled out on the website. The idea being is then you'll then choose which method you want to then communicate with them, be it ILT, Jabber, or whatever. So the next stage really is to sort of make this so that you can, transparent. You can click and just communicate with the user. So basically, you'll have a filter of distance you specify on the site. I only want people within a certain kilometres, for example. And then what I'm looking at doing is adding some icons to say represent different types of people. So like I'm interested in geeks, or come up with your own ideas for that. Some little icons, it'll filter it again, and kind of just find people who are in a certain distance of you. Cool. And I mean the main aspect really is not the interface, but everything's encoded very efficiently. This is one thing that I do. So it'll save you costs on a pay-as-you-go prepaid SIM. So it's really sort of for people who don't want to rack up. Because it continually pings in your location, you're continually sending data across a metered network. When you do that, you're continually costing yourself money. So the aspect really is like to try and encode things. It takes about 10 bytes to ping in your location, for example. Cool. And basically, so it's kind of running and it's things are working. It's just really now, getting some nice icons into these, jazzing up the interface. Cool.
So the documentation for this is now public, or?
Well, I haven't officially announced it yet because I wanted to come in and try it out on a sort of Flash Neo.
Yeah, for sure.
I've learned a few things of what to make some improvements. And but basically, you can go to the site, create an account, and you should be able to use it.
That's Thumbtribes.mobi.
Yeah, just go to thumbtribes.mobi. And on there, it's got the instructions. Basically, there's two IPKs at the moment you have to sort of install. I can make that one, but I'll split it for now. But yeah, it should kind of work. I mean, so I'll keep running. It may go down from time to time. So that's basically the current state.
All right. And that's Thumbtribes.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.